Hello, and here we are again. It's a riddle. What was designed in 1973, bought in July this year, and finished today on August the 14th, 2025. No, not Hadrian's Wall. No, this is the Airfix Vintage Classic Sopwith Pup, 172 scale. I've got the managed to get everything on without breaking it yet. I built one of these before, but not to this level of detail, and not with the decals on. I've seen this before on the box review. I've decided to build what I joked the zombie squadron, the flying corps from 1917 of number 46 squadron. Royal Flying Corps, A7325 B flight. So quite a nice, easy, quick fit kit. I built it in 2 days, just under actually, but I had the right paints, you see, so there's no delay getting on with it. So I'll show you some close-ups. You got the gun there, little wheels which actually go around like the ones on the bus. That's a decal, not a paint job on the side of the wheels. That was pretty tricky. The decals are very thin, which are good and bad because they can be tricky if you're not careful with them. They'll fold up amongst themselves. But because they're thin, they give a real good painted finish. They're not sticking up like some decals do. They blend in the rest of the paintwork, you know what I mean? So I've got all that finished today. If you look closely, I've managed to I'll actually show a still photograph by you now in a minute. And so it's the rotary engine, and I've managed to keep it so that, if you can notice carefully, the engine rotates with the propeller as on the original, on the actual plane. So rather pleased by that. Just as the propeller probably snap off now when I'm doing it, but yeah, I got a little bit of copper colour on where the pipes would be. Can't get any closer than that really. It's not going to let me do it, but yeah, I'm pleased with that. I mean, I could, if I had the right super glue and tweezers and everything and a month of patience, I could probably put some sort of rigging on it, some sort of wires in between the struts, but nah, I want to keep this fun. If you can see that there's a bit of a detail on there, the pitot tube. It's got little metal sides to it as well. That's quite good moulding. This is, like I say, this is 52-year-old design kit, but really not that bad. I'm pleased, and as I said, I'm pleased with my work that I've done with it. 2 days. So there we are. Go ahead, buy one. They're about £6, £7 at the moment, and a bit of fun to make. So I'll speak to you again. Ta-ra.